In this video, we're gonna learn about lists and links and how to use style links. So here we have a single link. It goes to Google. It opens a new page. So if you click on this, it goes to that page. And we're using a live server in case you forget to do that. So now let's style this. So we're gonna select with the element name. And now you could see the default behavior of a link is the underscore. So we can, to remove that, basically you say text decoration none. We remove that. Now there are 4 different states a link can be in. So I actually want to give a background color here. So let's just make that a command. Then let's give a little bit of padding. Okay, let's try 10 pixels. Boom. And then I'm gonna make the display inline black. And the difference between inline black and black is there are some elements. So for example, if let's say I have h1 and blue. Now h1 would tag for the whole. So if I click on that, you see it tags the whole thing. If I click on this, it doesn't tag the whole width, and that is the main difference between. So this one goes inside the other elements. So that's why we have to kind of say, hey, it's an inline, but it's still black. So then it can have a merging and other properties which we will need. So you can Google the difference between the two, and I discussed more in the HTML course. Okay, so now let me remove this. Boom. Now there are 4 states a link can be in. So the first one is just a link. Okay, and the first one is just a link. So a link can just be let's say color is equal to black. So there are 4 states it can be in. So the first, and this is how you kind of say the state a link is in. So a link means the normal state before you click or do anything. Now we already clicked, so that's why it has a different color. So normally it's just, it will just tag that. It's more like this one. Then the second one is visited. So that means when you already clicked it. So if I color, say purple, actually I want to make the background color. Let's make it violet, and then make the color white. Now you see it tags this state because I already clicked it. I already went to Google. So now the visited, after you visit, this is how the link looks like. And there are more. Now there is a state called hover. So move that, and let me just change background to white. Then I'm gonna give a border called 2 pixels solid black. Then I'm gonna do color is equal to black. So look at what happens when I hover off it. See how it changed? Let me just make this white. See the weight. See that? So it's basically hovering over the link. It tags this state. So it uses the CSS when you hover over the link. And the last one is called active. And the active is when you are clicking. So we'll see how that looks. So let's say the background color becomes yellow. The actual color becomes black. So now you see, as I am clicking it, actually let's say text color becomes purple, and then the border is none. So you see, as I am clicking it, it uses this style. It becomes yellow, and the text becomes purple, and the border goes away. So that's the 3 different states of a link. And the order here actually matters. So the order between these two doesn't matter. Any one of them can go first, but hover has to come after these two, and then active has to come after hover. So you should just stick to the order. Yeah, but that's all I wanted to discuss about links. See you in the next video.